Hi everyone, and I am Arvind Upadhyay, and now we are going to talk about what make the about the money and about the wealth management. So I'm working from the more than 10 years about the wealth management, and this video is a paid partnership with Arvind Capital's investment management. So we are going to see how you are going to valuing the money and attacking like activity the most people never make the time, never make the wealth creation, and it's the last thing for the first priority because simply they need to have the understand about the value creation and creating the wealth because you never find the time and energy or resources like people make when it's come to money the building multiple source of income. One of my book source of income stream I have talked about already that how we can develop the literally many type of the income stream that can help you to change everything like having the financial freedom and creating the source of income. All people when they come to money they are like emergency savings, so having the money like you fix on them like making uh, the having the money for the emergency in your businesses and in your life like you having the problem and you this skating in the thin ice. So the mistake is like to come to wealth you always focus on first of all the having the specific type of the emergency money that is going to need you are going to need at any time when the like a healthcare problems like other type of the problem and anytime you are going to have them and like having the illness having the any type of the emergency, and the majority of the all going to be tackled like a negative event and very soon like you know to you are not going to fail by the financial trouble at that moment. So you need to have the plan and like a more like having the destination, and most people are just guessing and hoping their base that financial success, but you need to having the a good and specific type of these strategies for the financial planning and making the avoiding the mistake that for the wealth planning that not understanding the difference between the investing as well as speculating. Like I have seen even the most intelligent most sophisticated investor make the many uh, uh, without any like they are putting themselves unnecessary investment and excessive risk and the can capital loss such like all people make when it's wealth concurrent habits like they don't value their time, they don't have a routine, and they don't have the mental toughness and other factors that affect the result in the wealth creation and wealth retention. Like frankly most people it is very important you are going to accumulate wealth and you are going to build the wealth conductive habits like every habit that depend on the wealth. Like most people make when it's come to lack of the emotional behavior control for the money like working on the market, understanding the supply and demand and investing in real estate, investing in gold, and investing in stock market equity and understanding that which companies is going to work better than comparison to other companies and going to do like a media is saying like a fixed and single issue like in case of retention like problems and your emotions like you're likely to be subjugated and destroy your own wealth by you. So you always do mistake that you have found the majority of the population as regardless of their occupation and regardless of their education, these are the very common mistake, and you don't have to incline to learn this yourself. You get to person, you need to having the skills, you need to having your own skills for understanding everything easily like how you can manage your wealth easily by step planning for your everything such like you plan for your every like you having the money and how you're going to invest that money for the creating the more wealth. So you're going to understanding the strategies that are making the helpful for the understanding your wealth creation and finance avoiding your financial mistake. Anyway, that's I am the author of the multiple wealth related books and financial related books, so you can read them acquire some knowledge and avoid always financial mistakes so for your wealth management as well as creating the long term wealth.